Alright, so let's get this box open, shall we? You need a Swiss Army knife to build a PC, right?
A Swiss Army knife, which hopefully has a Phillips head screwdriver in it. And
wait, a Swiss Army knife that hopefully, you hope it has a screwdriver.
Let's go.
Alright, so this just came in the mail. So this is the Anker power strip with 12 ports, or they call it the PowerExtend 12 strip, model A9191. Alright, so this is a right off the bat, this is a very big box for a power strip. When I actually went in for the testing club, I did see the picture for this, but I did not get a sense of like how big this thing was. But let's just open it up anyway. Okay, so I definitely like the design. The plastic here is very soft touch. It's very matte, and I really like this material. I've had worse. So yeah, the entire structure here is a very matte plastic. I wish I had more information on all the ratings and specifications on it, but unfortunately I cannot find those specifications. Oh yeah, so I'm an idiot, so I completely forgot to take this out of the box, as well as their little happy not happy card. So yeah, you pretty much get this with every single Anker product, especially with all the ones that I have unboxed. But anyway, so there are some specs in here, and I completely forgot about that. So so yeah, this thing does come with their 18-month limited warranty, and I was right earlier. It does have a surge energy of 4,000 joules, and it has a 6-foot cable, and that's the size for anyone, if anyone wants to know the size. That's basically the dimensions of the product and all the specifications that are included in here. And I just noticed this when I was looking through the box. But yeah, anyway, back to the actual video. Just based on the overall aesthetic, it looks really nice. It's very sleek for a power strip, especially. Like, I could actually have this exposed if I wanted to, because this actually looks pretty decent, especially for a power strip. Okay, let's see what else is there. I'm not trying to be quality control here, but yeah, that's not going to go anywhere. And then yeah, this is definitely a solid power strip. I'm not worried about this breaking at all. And why don't I stop talking and actually plug something in? Let's see. Got this nice hook and loop cable that they did include with this entire power strip. This is a very thick cord, my goodness. This thing should be able to carry out a lot of power. I have no doubts whatsoever. And then when I plug it in, should I sacrifice lighting for this? I don't think I want to sacrifice lighting. Wait, let's see. Yes, it fits. All right, and I didn't sacrifice lighting in the process. Okay, so let's just turn this on. I want to see how it looks when I turn this thing on. So, all right, so you have 3 LED lights, and then it's definitely I would say this switch right here is definitely not cheap, but it's not. It's okay. I mean, it's a switch, but it's a decent switch. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone, because my phone actually needs to be charged a little bit. And then with the other port, I can actually charge my tablet. Okay, I can charge my tablet. I'm not going to charge into this. I'm going to charge into here, because this is the direct source. I'm not trying to kill myself in the process, but all right. So it's a pretty snug fit. I don't think it's going to fall anytime soon. Okay, it's charging through here. Okay, what else can I charge? Let's see. All right, I got a little fan here with a little small plug. Okay, it just beeps so it knows it's on, and it's working. Oh, nice. Okay, so I got my laptop charging, my tablet, my phone. Yeah, I wish I had more things to actually charge. Is there really nothing else I can charge? I have more ports. I mean, we can test out if all the other ports work. Turn off the fan. Okay, so if you hear the beep, that means the fan is on. Okay, live, 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 live. Hot, hot, and hot. Okay, so they all work. Not that I was doubting it, but I needed to try it out. Alright, so one of my criticisms for this is that it doesn't have any USB ports. It's better to have some than none, especially, you know, for this, you know, in this situation especially. And this is pretty much why I go for the smaller one when it comes to traveling, not because of size. I actually prefer having more ports with me, especially with the actual, like, you know, greater heft of this, but it's because of these ports. I mean, I also have, like, you know, power delivery, and then you have two regular USB-A's right here. And I'm not an engineer whatsoever, but like, this is a very smart arrangement when it comes to a power strip like this, especially with compared to this, like, literally. So yeah, at the end of the day, I'm not really worried about, like, you know, anything bad happening to this at all. I mean, yeah, this is a very quality power strip, and this definitely is in line with all of the other Anker products that I've gotten. So, you know, this, that, speakers, and earbuds. So yeah, that's about it, I gotta say. Do I recommend this? Yes, and it's not because I got it for free. I would actually pay the 30 bucks for this because it is actually worth it. I would, heck, if I had extra money, I would actually replace this with the one on my bed and then the one underneath my dresser for, like, my TV and stuff. I would buy extra, but unfortunately, I am saving money for a new pair of headphones. Yeah, I also paid for this, so yeah. So yeah, university life, right? Yeah. My one critique for Anker is to make a premium version with, you know, USB ports and a braided cable. And while we're at it, can we have braided versions of these USB 3.1 Gen 2 cables, or like whatever the new USB standard is? Because I do like high-speed USB transfer speeds, but then also have, you know, braided cables. I do appreciate braided cables. In fact, I did have to buy a USB 2 braided cable. Yeah, it's longer, first of all, and second of all, you know, I like braided stuff, and I have to charge my phone from far away sometimes, so I do have that just in case. But yeah, please, I need braided cables, man. So yeah, that's about it. I do trust this power strip anywhere I would go. In fact, I would actually travel with it if you know, this pandemic would stop. But yeah, I would definitely trust this. I would definitely trust this. So yeah, that's about it. So again, thank you to Anker's Testing Club for allowing me to actually review this power strip. And I'm definitely glad to have it for free, because I would really buy it, but I'm still on a budget. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.